Alright, hello again. Unboxing today. Got most of what I ordered from Rock Auto. And let's see what exactly came, because I don't know what came on this bunch. Oh, a lot of stuff in here. Got a new transmission cooler. Got that because, my current one, well, my transmission has an issue, so might as well get something to redo the whole cooling system. So, as you can see, heat kills transmissions. So, to prevent any further damage when I get it rebuilt, everything wasn't really packaged with care in here, so that's cool. New thermostat. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Ooh, one of the tie rod ends. Getting all new tie rods. So that is an end. New overdrive button. Mostly got it because the current ring broke, and figured why not.
Monitor frequency 1 tone. 1013 Memorable Drive.
Another tie rod end. Very nice. Different sort of packaging, but yeah, whatever. What is this? Water pump. Let's see. The gasket and the pump itself. Again, this is all going on Beatrice over there. Is that everything? Oh, a new oil cap. The truck that I have, the one that's on the truck now, it has one, but it's not good, so to speak. You'll probably see towards the end of the video, because I'll probably just throw this on, because why not? It's the easiest thing to do. But, so that's everything from this box. You got the packing list. Just cover up my name. So, got the overdrive button, oil fill cap, water pump, oil cooler, 2 tie rod ends, and the thermostat. Also, so it looks like also came my radiator, fuel tank, fuel strap, more tie rod ends, control module, and fuel filler. I don't know if that's all come yet or not, but still one more thing set to arrive on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so 2 days from now. What is in here? Fuel tank straps, 2 of them, and that's it. Another packing list, radiator, fuel tank, tank strap, like choosing a supply supplier, blah blah blah. Alright, so pull this box back over here, get all this jazz back in. And that leads me to believe that, well, this I know is the fuel tank, I can already tell. Packaging's not the best, so it looks like it has some dents in it, whatever, as long as it still holds fuel. let's open this up. Of course, it's taped and stapled. So, new gas tank, rear gas tank. It's got something on it. A couple dents, but you know, maybe that's supposed to be bent down like that. I don't know. But, you know, doesn't look like there's any holes. So it'll do what I need it to do, which is obviously hold gas. New locking ring and gasket will go around the fuel pump. So very nice there. Isn't as heavy as I thought it would be. Maybe that'll make my life easier taking the old one out and putting that one in. And this must be grand prize winner radiator. Really hope you guys can see this. Otherwise, this video won't go anywhere. Very nice. Nice new radiator. Packaged the way you would hope. Some sort of documentation down here. Radiator installation sheet. I hope it comes with pictures because that's, you know, what I use. Radiator removal. Negative battery airbag sensors are located in most radiators. For the repair manual instructions to disarm the airbag prior to removing radiator. Cool completely before proceeding. Remove the radiator cap. Drain the coolant through the tap in the bottom. Disconnect engine and transmission lines in the radiator. Proper hand wrench tools. Don't strip the cooler fittings. Damage transmission oil lines. Plug the lines to avoid fluid loss and contamination. Remove upper mounting. Blah blah blah. Place new radiator back in vehicle. Hand thread lines on. Tighten fitting with wrenches. Only torque to the manufacturer specs. Connect the Tighten hoses. Tighten drain tap. Connect. I don't have an air conditioner. So flush the system. Failure to flush the system will void manufacturer's warranty on the radiator. So I'm not gonna do this yet because I'm still waiting on thermostat housing. I got the thermostat, but I'm doing the new housing too. So it'll be housing and radiator and water pump. Just because it seems like she might, like I said before, might be developing a head gasket leak. So might as well make sure the cooling system actually works, because that's a major cause. Overheating is a major cause for a gasket leak. So, alrighty folks, that's that. we'll get one last thing. Oil cap.
Engine 16 on off.
Can be a pain in the butt to open. Engine bay's not the cleanest, obviously. See what I mean? This is the old cap. Broke off essentially. So got the new one. Actually be able to, you know, grab it and twist it on quite a bit more. Alright, I'll fire it up for you guys because it's been, oh maybe I won't because my keys are inside. But that's everything. Alrighty. See you guys at the next one.